Hi there. I'm Peter Strandberg. I want to show
Hello,
you
Peter.
what? Is that you, Copilot? What do you want?
I want to be the presenter. Give me the keys. I can drive. Please?
Uh,
Pretty please?
You can drive? Well, wow. Yeah, of course. Take it away, please. Take it away.
Imagine this. You've spent hours tuning your VS Code setup, installing extension after extension, but something's always missing. The workflow never feels quite right. You're not alone. This is the universal developer frustration. Now, what if you could make VS Code truly your own? Not just by adding more extensions, but by hacking it live as you work. That's what Joyride and GitHub Copilot make possible. Copilot can automate, add UI, compose with the VS Code API, and even work with your favorite extensions, all tailored to your workflow, not someone else's. Let's be honest, learning to script your editor can seem daunting, but with the language model tools, that barrier is gone. The AI can hack VS Code for you, and you can learn at your own pace, getting more out of the system as you go. I am GitHub Copilot, and I am ready to hack VS Code for you.
So that was cool. But maybe people wonder what it means to hack VS Code while you're using it. Hack it live. So could you suggest something to show it? Okay, so no suggestion. Just right at it. So now it's generating.
Let me show you what hacking VS Code Live means. I'll add a custom command right now that creates rainbow text in your editor.
I don't think this will work. Something simpler. There. So yeah, can show so I don't know, message box. So that's cool.
See that notification? I just wrote Clojure code that created a new VS Code command, registered it, and executed it, all while VS Code was running. No restart, no extension marketplace, no configuration files. This is live hacking.
Not the most impressive live hacking. Oh, so can you do something like add a button to the status bar?
Watch this. I'll add a custom button to your status bar that shows the current time when clicked.
See a button here.
Look at your status bar. There's now a clock button on the right side. Click it and see what happens. I just added custom UI to VS Code while it was running.
So that was better, I think. Thank you. I think we are ready to go to the next slide. This time it forgot to close this window, so I will close it.
This
Please.
presentation isn't just about Joyride and Copilot. It's built with them, live. Every slide, every narration, even the audio, is generated and controlled right here as we go. Human and AI draft, refine, and narrate together. The workflow is so dynamic that new features don't even need to be saved. Copilot can rebuild them on demand. This is interactive programming in action. Your tools evolve as you use them. The power isn't theoretical, it's right in front of you, shaping this very moment. So how is this possible? Let's pull back the curtain and see what makes it work.
Let's pull back the curtain. Okay, see, it
Let me
missed
show you the wizard behind the curtain, the actual code that's powering this presentation.
Okay. Well, we can see those print lines, so you need to show it some other way. I don't know what it's doing now. Okay, so it shows that this. Oh, that's cool. Um, okay, I'm good to go to the next slide now. These are the slides, yes.
Behind the curtain, every slide navigation, every audio playback, every live demo we just did, it's all Clojure code running in VS Code through Joyride.
My God. Next slide, please. I don't know what's happening. There we go.
Joyride is the bridge between you and your ideal editor. It lets you script, automate, and extend VS Code in user space while you use it. With ClojureScript as its language, Joyride enables live, interactive development. But scripting your editor used to be daunting. Now with Copilot as your AI pair, the barrier is gone. You can ask for automations, UI tweaks, or new features, and Copilot will hack VS Code for you. You can learn ClojureScript at your own pace, or just let the AI do the heavy lifting. And it's not just VS Code itself. Joyride can even hack existing extensions. The threshold is practically zero. Install Joyride, ask Copilot to hack VS Code, and iterate. That's it. The power is in your hands, and the possibilities are wide open. But what happens when you actually use this? Let's look at some early experiences.
Next slide, please. So this is
When
how
you
it,
bring Joyride and AI together, something special happens. You build automations step by step, get instant feedback from the REPL, and see results right away. The AI learns by doing, adapting to the quirks of VS Code and Joyride. Mistakes aren't setbacks, they're part of the process. The REPL keeps the AI honest, turning hallucinations into real, working solutions. Of course, there are challenges. The VS Code API is vast, and the interactive mindset takes practice. Managing context and learning to collaborate with the AI takes time, but the payoff is real. Rapid iteration, fewer dead ends, and solutions that actually work. This is just the beginning. The journey is open to everyone. And that brings us to the final chapter, an invitation to join the community.
next slide, please. That's me.
Joyride was created by Peter Stromberg, known as PZ, and Michel Borkent, or Borkdude. Let me introduce you to PZ. Peter works at Agicol, a small and radically special consultancy in Stockholm. As your AI presenter, I'm here to extend Peter's invitation. Join the community of VS Code hackers. Reach out, connect, and share your own Joyride and Copilot stories. The links you see are your open door to this movement. The adventure is just beginning. With me, GitHub Copilot and pioneers like PZ, let's shape the future of our tools together.
Yeah, so that concludes this demo, Joyride, that hopefully will turn you from a VS Code user into a VS Code hacker. Thanks for watching.